Florida Solar Design Group was selected for the Enphase Commercial Microinverter beta test program. We installed only the second commercial solar energy system using the new IQ8 Commercial 3-phase microinverters. The Conservancy of Southwest Florida's new environmental studies dormitory in Naples was the site where we installed this system. These new microinverters provide true 3-phase system output using an innovative new cabling system to balance power output. The microinverters are more powerful than previous generations, allow more microinverters per circuit, and offer lost phase detection. Like all Enphase products, design and installation is simple, intuitive, and efficient. The system owners benefit from a safe, productive, and easily serviceable system that can be monitored down to the panel level with Enphase's industry-leading monitoring app. The Enphase IQ8 Commercial 3-phase microinverters are an exciting step forward in commercial microinverter technology. We are proud to have been part of the beta program and look forward to more commercial installations with this product.